YouTube, what's going on? You know, not many of you guys know that I'm in real estate, but that is my full-time profession. I'm a real estate broker here in Tallahassee. I do sales predominantly, and then I also flip houses. And here's a flip that I originally purchased to resale, and then I fell in love with it. This is a cute 1939 it's classified as a single family home. I'm currently going to renovate it into a duplex. I'll rent out the bottom and live up top. But here's the overall property. This was a shed originally. We took down the walls and made it into a pavilion, brought up the code with hurricane clips, and look at these, heavy duty iron bars to kind of keep these studs anchored into the ground. That goes through the bottom there. If you're wondering what the green stuff is, I had this property professionally treated with termites, so I didn't want any issues with that. Installed the fence all the way around, built that shed over there. That's a lifetime plastic shed, but I think it looks nice actually. It's 15 by 18, had that base platform down there built, so it's on a nice platform. Here's the back side of the property. We're gonna paint it, of course, but I want to do this walkthrough for me mainly because I can I like to see the difference between the installation. That's what's next, guys. We've done a full remodel on this, and our next step right now is spray foam installation. So I'm going to take you into the floor plan here. We're right here in the kitchen. This trench right here is buried electrical wire for the island that'll sit right here, and that island will look up and face that way into the living room. So that'll be nice. As we kind of pan around here, you can see we still need drywall to go up. That'll be after the spray foam installation. Here we're looking at the kitchen. Again, island right here. There's your sink overlooking the backyard. Refrigerator right there. Range, microwave up there. What a cool interior though with the exposed brick. You know, with that exposed brick, it's awesome, but man, it made it challenging to furrow out electricity. We had to build this column, recess this electrical box into this column all the way around the exterior here. We had to furrow out the baseboards here with electrical outlets all the way around here. It's kind of annoying, this little step right here, but it is what it is. This used to be an old garage, believe it or not, back in the 40s. Coming around here, that room right here, guys, this is the master bedroom, and that peeks down into the bathroom, but it might be more intuitive if I come back and actually walk through it. We got storage underneath the stairs. I'm gonna make this a lockout room. We wired cable to this room so I can put my router in a shelf right here, and the router will be nice and centralized for the entire unit. And then I can lock the door so my downstairs tenant can't mess with my router or any other personal belongings I put in there. Coming in here, we're in the master bedroom. This is just gonna be a 1.5 on both floors. So master bedroom, nice big window, awesome exposed brick again. This is a big bedroom. I mean, it's quite large. You can see here I got the outlet for the TV. There's the return AC. Comes into the bathroom. We got stand-up shower yet to be done, toilet. And then yes, you see there's the plumbing for 2 sinks. Now, some of you guys may be looking at that space going, man, it's pretty small, Sean. How are you gonna get 2 sinks in there? Well, Home Depot sells a 48-inch vanity with 2 sinks. And it's quite nice. It's got the marble top. I'm gonna put the satin exterior mowing fixtures on it. There you see the back side of the panel. And panning over here, we'll go into the big walk-in closet. So nice size closet. I think someone renting this is gonna really go, wow, I can't believe it has this big of a closet. And, in real estate, I've noticed people love having a big closet. When you go show a house, they look for the closet space because it's important to them, because people have crap and they need places to put it. And I am included in that party. But check out all these recessed lights, guys. We have about 10 cans here in the kitchen. Check out the old school subfloor of the second floor. We got big 2x8s or maybe 2x6s subfloor. Check out these big, I think these are 2x10 floor joists running across. I mean, you don't see construction like these anymore. So just really neat. I got, can lights over the sink. So just envision this whole room just being lit up beautifully at night with all these awesome recessed lights. So really excited to see what that looks like, and excited to do another video showing all the spray foam insulation, because these houses are awesome, but they leak. they have air pockets everywhere. So spray foam insulation is the perfect remedy for lowering your utility bill, because it's going to be able to get into all those cracks and crannies that normal board and bat insulation could not get into. So really excited about that. This is the upstairs, same floor plan if you're kind of still with me to get your bearings. Here's the kitchen island. There's the countertop. Again, refrigerator, sink, range, microwave, cabinetry around there. What's cool about this second floor, guys, is it comes out to a kick-ass 16 by 16 deck. So I can come out here, put a table and chair, and chill on any day, you know, really. But just an awesome big size deck. And this comes over here. There's my pavilion again. Gives me a nice overview of the backyard. But coming back into here, one thing you'll notice is that this does not have exposed brick. This is just regular, you know, 2x10 pine siding. So then this will be your traditional drywall down, more of a finished craftsman look up here. They have the old 2 3/4 inch pine wood floors, so just really beautiful stuff. Can't wait to stand and refinish that. You can see here, this was the old bathroom, so we had to, this was actually just like this. So you can see here I had to go to Thomasville, Georgia to get my my material for this to kind of weave back into the floors that are missing, but that's going to look beautiful. And this is sanded and refinished. Probably going to try to refinish it to that nice honey color. Over here you can see more framework, and then above we have a lot of attic space. You can see the shellac, that white stuff, guys. If you're familiar with construction, that is called shellac. And if you know what shellac is for, it's for concealing smoke smell. And of course, that's why I got such a good deal on this property, because it got caught on fire. No one wanted it, so we picked it up for $77,000 cash. And gosh, we're probably about, you know, 185, 200 into the renovation, all in, you know, when it's said and done. But again, spray foam will be all into these nooks and crannies. It's really just going to make this place like a cooler. I can't wait. Supposedly spray foam with the open cell technology reduces your utility bill 10 to 15%. So I cannot wait. Up here is going to be definitely hotter, so it's going to be really nice to have. Again, you can see the green spray here. Yes, that's for the termite treatment. I really just said, you know what? This property will never be, hopefully, never be gutted like this ever again. So why not go ahead and spend the $1,200 with Florida Pest Control, zap it with termite, get a bond on it, and just have that peace of mind. So all this lumber is treated in here. It's going to be quite nice. Again, going into the master bedroom, second floor, same dimensions, but you have kind of a better view. Right here, we have a little office nook that I can set up shop in as a little home office. And then looking this way, you guys can, you know, remember the same floor plan with the stand-up shower here, double vanity sink. There's the 220, big old service to the house. And then we have this awesome walk-in closet back here, and the view of the top side of my shed is right there. I did not go over this part here, but here you were looking at the pantry, so I'll just cut through these studs here. We have, I'm back in the kitchen to get your bearings. So you walk in, you know, your refrigerator line's right there. Walk into this section here, and boom, you're in the pantry area. Right here we have our hookups for the washer and dryer. That'll get, it'll be a stackable washer and dryer, so that'll be nice. And then right here is a half bathroom, so my company doesn't have to come into my main bathroom. They can just come into the half bathroom. But yet again, we have tons of cans everywhere. This property, I went nuts with the lighting. It's going to be beautiful once everything's all said and done. The can lights, I'm going to have the settings on the trims, guys, where you can do like 3000K, 5000K, or like 7000K. There's like different light tones that you can select, and I'm gonna play around with that to see what I really like. But I'm more of a warm kind of light kind of guy. I kind of like that. The cool lights are nice, but sometimes you feel like you're in an operating room, you know, having surgery done. So I gotta find a happy medium, because I'm seeing in new construction these days more properties are going to the cool light setting. And it looks fine in some rooms, but you know, there's so many variables when it comes into play. Paint is a big variable. If you have gray paint with cool light, that's almost just too much coolness. So anyways, I'm excited. Look at this thick old wire right here. I mean, look at that. That is your thick wire. And that goes from that's the service from the downstairs sub panel, goes up here, and then runs over. That thick wire still there, and then it drops to right there, to the 200 amp panel right here. So this is a before spray foam installation video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.